Hey everyone, I'm Da Jiangzhou. Our group will discuss GMO food, and we think GMO foods are safe as normal food rather than poisonous to human beings. I will introduce what is GMO food and why people fear GMO food. Brett will introduce the advantage of GMO foods, and Josh will introduce the safety of GMO foods. Some people worry about the safety of GMO foods. They think GMO foods will hurt human health. Since GMO foods are artificial rather than natural, the transferred genes into GMO food would cause bad consequences to human body. Some even worry that genes would transfer to our body once we ate GMO food. In 2008, Costa Front, Rosie Ria, and Bruce Trill published survey results of consumer acceptance of GMO foods in food policy. They reported that over 58% customers hold pessimistic attitude toward GMO food. However, we don't think GMO foods are toxic to human beings. We think GMO foods have the similar safety or even safer than natural food. GMO foods are food made by genetically modified organisms. Natural crops are imperfect and they have various weaknesses. Natural crops have limited output, are vulnerable to insect attack. The development of biotechnology allows us to genetically modify plants and animals. Importing more excellent traits into plants and animals, we could import pest resistance, pesticide resistance, and rapid growth in crops. As a result, GMO crops could produce more food per unit of land. Welcome Brett to show us advantage of GMO food.
Thank you, Dajiang. My name is Brett, and I will be speaking on the advantages of GMOs, along with some examples. Some advantages, like Dajiang said earlier, are pest resistance, herbicide resistance, and rapid growth. According to the Ghana Public Health Association, an article, Recommendations from a Meeting on Health Implications of GMOs, the pest and herbicide resistance will lower the use of outside chemicals on plants, resulting in healthier foods. Also, improving the nutrition of crops to enhance human health through more desired vitamins and minerals. Examples of food commonly grown with GMOs include maize, which is used for animal feed, high fructose corn syrup, and cornstarch. Soybeans, cotton, which is used for animal feed and fiber, and grain. Maize and cotton also contain a protein called Bt, which is harmful to certain insects. As you could expect, this protects the plants from harm from those insects. According to the study done by Alicia Pellegrino in 2018 titled Impact of GMOs, a meta-analysis of years of field data, grain yield has increased 10% over the years of 1996 to 2016. This contradicts views that state yield does not increase due to the use of these GMOs. Next, Josh will tell you about the safety of these GMOs.
Thank you, Brett. As he mentioned, I'll be talking about the safety of genetically modifying organisms in our diet. Research shows that GMOs will digest normally alongside regular bread crops inside our bodies. According to the National Academies of Science, Engineering, and Medicine, or the NAS, there is no substantiated evidence of difference to risk of human health between currently commercially available genetically engineered crops and traditionally bred crops. According to a study completed by the NAS in 2018, a panel of more than 20 scientists, researchers, agricultural, and industry experts reviewed over 20 years of data science of GMOs, including nearly 900 studies and tests and European and North American data. They concluded, as other previous researchers have concluded, that genetically modified crops are safe to eat, have the same nutritional and composition of non-genetically modified organisms, and have no links to new allergies, cancer, celiacs, or other diseases. GMOs would also decrease the use of pesticides and the residue in our diet, as Brett mentioned, allowing us to live longer and more prosperous lives. So today you heard a little bit about what GMO foods are from Dajiang and how the public feels about them. the advantage of GMOs in our diets and to our health and safety from Brett, as well as the safety of GMOs throughout America and other places. And hopefully you learned a little bit about those today. Thank you.